Did you know your front door says so much about you and your home? The color, the style, the welcome it gives. But there's one detail that adds instant charm and mystery: a wreath. More than just decoration, wreaths have been hung for centuries to invite good fortune, protection, and peace into the home. Today, let's step through the doorway of history and discover the hidden magic behind wreaths. 1. History of wreaths. Ancient Greece and Rome. Laurel wreaths, also known as bay leaves. It crowned athletes, scholars, and leaders. It symbols victory, honor, and eternal glory. Pagan and Celtic traditions. Evergreen wreaths, pine, fir, spruce, cedar, and holly. Any greenery that stays alive year-round are used in the solstice celebrations to symbolize the cycle of life and rebirth. Christianity. Advent wreaths, usually fir, pine, or holly woven into a circle, with candles symbolizing hope, peace, joy, and love. Wreath shape. The circle itself has no beginning or end, representing eternity, unity, and the never-ending cycle of life. 2. Why do we hang wreaths on the door? A wreath on the front door is a welcome sign, an offering of hospitality to visitors. Spiritually, many cultures believed it protected the home from negative energy. In some folklore, evergreen wreaths were thought to ward off evil spirits and invite good fortune. 3. What is in the meaning of colors, herbs, and leaves? Greenery, eternal life, renewal, and resilience. Red berries or ribbons. Vitality, love, and protection. White flowers, purity, peace, remembrance. Lavender, calm, cleansing, protection. Rosemary, memory, loyalty, and remembrance of loved ones. Bay leaves, strength, wisdom, and triumph. 4. Here are 7 types of wreaths beyond the holidays. Lavender wreath, calming energy, peace in the home, protection from negativity. Rosemary wreath, remembrance and honoring ancestors, also invites clarity and loyalty. Bay leaf wreath, wisdom, academic success, and protection, echoes ancient Rome. Herbal wreath, sage, thyme, rosemary mix. Cleansing, warding off illness, inviting healing energy. Flower wreath, roses, daisies, or seasonal blooms, symbolizes love, renewal, and beauty of the present season. Citrus or orange wreath represents abundance, wealth, and good luck. Oranges are powerful symbols of prosperity. Grapevine wreath, abundance, connection to the harvest, and transformation, often used as a base for other wreaths. Here is one more bonus wreath, an olive branch wreath, universal peace and reconciliation. 5. Here is a fun fact. Spiritual awakening. Pine cones resemble the pineal gland, sometimes called the third eye. In mystical symbolism, they represent enlightenment, higher wisdom, and spiritual vision. Many see wreaths as a way to honor the seasons and its elements. Spring wreaths, rebirth and growth. Summer wreaths, abundance and vitality. Autumn wreaths, gratitude and harvest blessings. Winter wreaths, endurance and spiritual light through darkness. 7. Just a recap. So whether it's made of herbs, flowers, or evergreens, a wreath isn't just decoration. It carries centuries of history, deep spiritual meaning, and a warm message of welcome. Next time you hang one on your door, you'll know it's more than just a pretty circle. It's a story of protection, renewal, and connection. It's an offering of welcome to our home. The wreath you hang today represents hospitality, inviting positive energy, blessings, and harmony into the home, while showing generosity to guests. If you enjoyed learning about the meaning behind wreaths, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Check out the next video about how your front door colors have a message. It goes along with the wreath you may hang on it. See you in the next video.